Hey guys. So, most of the time on this channel, I show you how to make AI music videos and AI characters using completely free tools. Today is a bit different.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street. I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath, heartbeat.
Edimakor reached out, gave me a license, and asked me to test their AI singing photo feature and AI music tools. It's a paid editor, but the lip sync looked good, and I wanted to see if we could build a full AI music video inside one app. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Edimakor's AI lip sync to make your characters actually sing, and then how to turn everything into a finished AI music video. If you're running an AI music channel and want better lip sync and faster videos, this will show you exactly how I'm using Edimakor's tools. Okay, first I always start with the song idea and lyrics. For this video, I already have lyrics and a prompt I generated in ChatGPT for the style and mood I want. You can write your own lyrics or use a prompt directly inside Edimakor's AI music feature, as I am showing now, but I already have this generated. Edimakor has an AI music feature called High Lua built in, so you don't need to bounce between lots of separate tools. Now we can create our AI characters. I'm going to have the singing, which is me, and then two other characters. The goal here is to end up with a small set of strong singing avatars that feel like the same character from shot to shot. So I'm going to go to AI Video, Image to Video, click Reference to Video, and set the model to Kling01. Then I'm going to upload our reference images of our characters, and in the prompt I am going to type, "She stands at a window looking out. It's dark, it's nighttime, and she sees the man is moving in next door. It is raining and she holds her breath as she looks at him unloading the vehicle from behind the curtain." Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then we are going to click Generate. Okay, this looks good. Now, you can use the feature built in to generate your own song, as I said previously. I am going to be using the song I already generated earlier. So, I have my vocals from the track that I'm going to drag into the timeline. Now, I'm going to find a start point to split the clip, and then the end point, as this is going to be my first music clip that I'm going to lip sync. Then, I'm going to click the clip, right-click, and click Export Clip. Make sure audio is selected, choose your location, and we are going to name this First Lip Sync. And export. Okay, next, we are going to click Singing Photo. Import the clip you just saved. Then, we are going to load in our custom avatar, which is going to be me. Okay. Yep. I must have been freezing as it is pouring with rain, and the dress I'm wearing? Wow. Okay. Anyways, now this looks good. So we are now going to click Generate. Okay, let's preview.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street.
Wow. Okay. Honestly, that did a good job. Now, we are going to drag this clip into the timeline and line it up with our previous clip.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street.
I didn't do it in this screen recording, but you can mute the audio of the video once you load it in by clicking the Audio tab and turning it off at the top. Okay, now this is in place. I'm going to add an opacity effect along with a zoom effect. So it's about setting keyframes and following what I do on screen. So what I'm essentially doing is I'm moving the playhead to where I would like the start of the fade to begin and end, and then adding a keyframe with if I want them to fade out or in. And the same I am doing for the zoom effect. It's all about the keyframes.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street.
You got it? Okay, good. Now we are going to bring into the timeline the clip we generated earlier. He looks a bit strange up this close to her, as this is the early scene of the video and it's too soon. So let's just zoom in with this clip and make it look like she is hugging the window. Now we are going to add a transition between the two clips to give it that cinematic fade. So click Transition, and we are going to look for the fading to black transition. There we go. Okay, this looks awesome, but I think we need to slow this clip down a little to fit more with the music. So I'm going to click Speed and then test this one.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street. I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath.
Nope. Uniform speed. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to adjust the speed here.
I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath.
There. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to cut our second lip sync clip. So I'm going to listen and cut where I need to, and do the same as previously to export it.
Heartbeat. He looked up like he felt my stare.
Okay, now I want to test the talking photo feature. It's a bit expensive in credits, but honestly, OmniHuman is one of the best models for lip syncing. Now we're going to upload the image I want to use for this lip sync. Then I'm going to select the audio we just created, and then I'm going to click Generate.
Heartbeat. He looked up like he felt my stare.
Okay, yes, I do see the difference. So now I'm going to line up the clip, and I'm going to add the same transition just like I did before. So I'm going to speed up this part. Okay, let's preview what we have so far.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street. I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath. Heartbeat. He looked up like he felt my stare.
Okay, this looks good. Now, making a music video is about listening to the music and creating what seems to fit to the lyrics you are working with. So everything I have just shown you, I'm going to speed up this part as I create more scenes. Okay, let's preview this part.
Something wrong in the calm he wore, like time didn't pull at his skin, like the dark could finally stop and let him in.
Great! And again, we speed up. And let's preview what we have now so far.
He moved moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street. I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath, heartbeat. He looked up like he felt my stare. Moonlight sharp across his face. Didn't smile, didn't wave hello, just held my eyes, then looked away. Something wrong in the calm he wore like...
Okay, looks great. Now I'm going to speed up once again and create some more. Okay, now I'm going to create a few more specific images. So let's go to AI image generation. And let's type into the prompt, close-up shot, she is sitting by the fireplace, wearing a nightgown, hair in a side ponytail. The room is dark and the fire is lighting up the scene. HD 1K, aspect ratio to 16:9, and output quantity to 2. Now, generate. Now, we are going to do another whilst this generates, so I'm going to type into the prompt. She walks down the same street as the reference image. It is a close-up shot of her head and shoulders. She is soaking wet where it has been raining. Okay, perfect. Now they are generating. I'm going to basically finish this music video in fast motion, so I'm going to speed it up. Now, once you've completed your music video, you can click Export. Make sure it's set to video, choose your location, and I'm going to call this music video. Double-check your settings, then click Export. So that's the full workflow I used to create this AI music video. From generating the song, to building my AI characters, to using the AI lip sync and putting it all together on the timeline. If you made it to the end, thank you. And if you are new, welcome. I'm Sky. I teach everything and anything AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for coming to see me. I love you all, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Now I'm going to show you part of the final result.
He moved in late past midnight. Drug lights cutting up the street. I watched from my bedroom window, bare feet holding my breath, heartbeat. He looked up like he felt my stare. Moonlight sharp across his face. Didn't smile, didn't wave hello, just held my eyes, then looked away. Something wrong in the calm he wore like time didn't pull at his skin like the dark could finally stop and let him in. I don't know why I keep watching every time you step outside. Every time our eyes collide, you don't look away. You see me like you're deciding something you can't undo. And every time I start to feel you, you disappear again. Weeks go by, you're always fixing something broken on the porch rail. Shirt off, sun across your shoulder.